What up, YouTube peeps, man? Oodie Oo back again with another video. Today, going to be installing some sway bars onto the E36. Basically, the sway bars I got are Eibach. I found them on for a good deal on the forums and stuff. So, but they're red, so I kind of got them powder coated yellow, or spoon yellow. That's like kind of like the accent color of my car. Let me show you guys. Grab the front one. It's pretty thick, I'm not gonna lie. It's pretty heavy, low-key. So here it is. Here's the front one. The other one's over there in the garage. But yeah, I got it, you know, spoon yellow like the calipers and the freaking cage inside. I'll show you guys all that later. But yeah, for the most part, let's get on with the install. Okay, for the install, it looks pretty simple. Looks like I basically just, well, both the bushings, because I have the poly bushings for the other sway bar and these little brackets for the other sway bar. Not worried about that. I got these powder coated also. So basically just unbolt from here. Yeah, unbolt from here. And then unbolt from here on both sides. And then it'll drop. Let's get it. The more I'm starting to work on this car, the more like I'm starting to realize the person that had it before me had to be a car enthusiast or something, because freaking these bolts were uneven. Like they weren't the same as that side. And then this one looks like it was different than that side over there. But I'll see what's up, man. Yeah, don't mind all the overspray. Freaking that's from when I had first painted the calipers yellow with like the little can from like O'Reilly's or something. And I upgraded the brakes and then got them actually powder coated. Yeah, with the girl, I just stick the stainless steel braided brake lines. That's gonna look sick with the yellow sway bar under here. Oh yeah. But yeah, just gotta take out the end-link bolt on the other side and the sway bar drops. All these bolts are out. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, something I want to add is freaking before I'm bolting these, take out the end-link bolts first, because how I took out that side and I go to like crank on this side, the whole sway bar just dropped, almost smacked me. So yeah, don't learn from my mistakes. All right, so basically make sure you guys like lube up these poly bushings right here, because if you don't lube them up, they'll squeak. So I don't want squeaking, because I forgot to do that to my trailing arm bushings and now they freaking all the time. Anyways, but lube them up, put the little brackets on like this one, likewise, and gonna install. Yeah, this one's way beefier than this one, like in weight, just feeling it like a sticker. It weighs more. Yeah, man. So we're gonna see how it goes. Another thing, man, I was like kind of like damn, I ain't gonna be able to test it out, because freaking I blew up my center support bearing the other day, and I was gonna order the solid one, but I'm like, dude, it's like it'll take like a week to get here. So I was like, I'm gonna try to like order like an OEM one. Hopefully it gets here quicker, you know, from like somewhere closer. And it said it wouldn't get here until what, like the next day, this Saturday today, which will be Sunday. But look what just showed up. Center support bearing. So it looks like we get to test them out, you know what I'm saying? I'm also putting the rear one now at this point. So this video is gonna be extended. Okay, so sway bar is in. I put it to the stiffer setting in the front. The one closer back here, the stiffer setting, and then it's softer, stiffer. So you want stiffer in the front, some type of give in the rear, but not like full stiff like the front. So I'll probably put the rear one on the second one, but leave the front right here. Cause I don't even have a rear sway bar at the moment, actually. I felt it like once I put the cage in, I felt like it started feeling sketchy around corners. And then this side, same. Got the bushings in, all greased up and stuff. So yeah, I guess move to the back. Okay, guys. Got the rear one in, all mounted up, greased up the bushings so they don't freaking squeak. And wiped it off a little bit, I guess. And then instead, since like it has holes now, I have to use a bolt. Basically, use the bolt with the washer and then just through. Look, I had like some extra ones from when I was putting in my cage. These were too short for my cage, so it came in clutch right here. yeah, so that's what I did on both sides. Mounted it here, onto the little brackets, and the only thing I had to do to install it was drop the exhaust a little bit, like have it hang a little bit. Other than that, and jack up the wheels, you know, give me some more space. Because I got to change the center support bearing too also right now. So, let's head to that. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Okay, so verdict is like I freaking like sent it. Because that crack ain't supposed to be right there. This is metal. And I broke all this. Yeah. I'm hard-headed. I was like, man, it only rattles like 20 miles per hour. And then last time I drove it, it was, what, like 2 days ago? And it was rattling bad. I was like, you know what? That's a sign. I'm just going to, you know, just let it sit. Well enough, the new bushing came today. So, sheesh, I got to fix it. Get it going. Maybe go for a cruise tonight or something. We'll see. Test out those sway bars. Okay, guys, man. I started at like 12 or so, or whatever, doing the sway bars and all that stuff. And now it's about, what, 6:07? It's all good, though, because I'm almost done. I put on the sway bars. Oh, I already told you guys that. And I got out the drive shaft for the center support bearing. So I'm like, kind of like trying to mess with it with a flathead, thinking that it freaking just slides out. Look in the front of it. It's a freaking snap ring, little ring, or whatever you call it. So, therefore, I gotta get some snap ring pliers, and we're back to installing. I'll show you guys when I get back. Stay tuned. Alright, what up, guys, man? Back again. I know I didn't show the freaking, what do you call it? The process of me doing the center support bearing, because it was a pain, dude. Oh, what the heck? What's going on? Oh, my bad. I forgot I had track pushing. I thought, like, because it made, like, a similar noise like it did last time. I was about to be, like, so hot, bro. But, anyways, since I didn't record that, I guess I gave you guys a review on how these sway bars is, because I did test drive it last night, and they made a difference, no lie. So, first things first, I gotta get some gas. What up, guys, man? Time for the review, man. The review of these Eibach Sway bars. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I found them on the marketplace, on Facebook Marketplace. Picked them up. They were red, like a burgundy red, but I got them powder coated yellow, you know, because the theme, accent colors of my car and all that stuff. First noticeable difference that I feel on the freeway is that it feels like way more comfortable, and I'm just like coasting on freeway. It doesn't feel like the rear end's like dancing back there, like, because once I put the cage in, that's like when I really started feeling like, all right, I need a rear sway bar. I mean, I had it, like I said previously, I had it. It just was a pain to put it on when I was going. I put the rear end back into the car in one of my beginning videos. So I just like left it out, because I know the drifter scene don't really run them or something like that. I was hearing for more grip. So I'm like, oh, I don't need one, but they're sliding their cars. I'm actually freaking trying to get traction to drive my car. Like, it's two different things. So yeah, it is what it is. But back to the topic of how they feel on the freeway. Basically, like, I'm just cruising here, like, I'm no more like holding two hands, like I'm one hand just chilling, you know, just posted up, you know what I'm saying, AC below it, just freaking cruising, not worried about like, oh, I might spin out, you know, like, oh, I might get a little, you know, loopy right here. Nah, going around corners and everything, one hand, you know what I'm saying? So, my personal preference, like, I want to drive my car comfortably. So by it, like, you know, I'm enjoying it like now, like cruising. You know what I'm saying? They did a job to me so far. But the most noticeable thing is dang. Maybe I should have been paying attention. Just hit a dip low key. But anyways, we're all good. It hit the hour. The difference that I realized is that it like really like put the car together, you know? Because after I tested them last night, I freaking, you know, I was cruising around the block, you know, going around like streets that have like a lot of curves, you know, to really like test them out. And I see the intersection, so you know what I'm saying, kind of, you know, got a little ratchet in the intersection, and instantly, like, it just felt like a whole different car, guys. Like dude, as soon as I clutch kicked, it was just like instantly, like, just like ice. Not barely even like gave it throttle. Like I gave it way less throttle than I usually do, and I was just like, whoa, like okay, you know what I'm saying? And it felt more put together rather than like before. It's like I feel like, all right, it's like about to like too much grip here, and then like it'll start like spinning out and stuff or whatever. That's what I noticed first, and then basically I was like just like turning right onto like streets, and like I was just like hitting the corner like hard on purpose, and it was holding its own, you know what I'm saying? Even with these whack freaking, I want to say Continental tires I have, you know, I think I'm gonna upgrade some Federals, like some double R's, to get some beats on here, some sticky joints. But even like with these freaking Continentals back here, and I think like a Chili's or something up front, like whatever they were, freaking, it was freaking holding its own. I think the cage like helps a lot also, you know what I'm saying, keeping it together. Because from having this car stock to like redoing all the bushings and the 95A garagistic bushings to the aluminum bugle to freaking now sway bars, cage, what else, taking out all the camber, raising the car and all that stuff, it's like, it feels like a whole different car. Like now it's like, I used to be like kind of skeptical of canyon running. Now it's like, I'm with it. I'm for sure with it. With this setup now. But the only thing I would say I need to get now is alignment, because I don't know if the sway bar threw something off or what, but it's kind of like pulling to the right a little bit. Not like drastically, but like, you know, like it started like coasting that way. So I'll just get it realigned, you know what I'm saying? And then we should be all good to go. Get it realigned and get some sticky meats all around. I think I'm gonna go to another wheel setup. I'm kind of like over these wheels, not even gonna cap, because you know my personal people know why. I'm talking a lot, so let me get on with the video, and that's gonna wrap. Well, actually, it's gonna wrap it up for the video, because all I really have to say for the sway bars, because I didn't end up hitting any canyons this morning or nothing to like really, you know, push its limit of the car. So that's all we got for today, and stay tuned for the next one. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, share with your peeps, you know what I'm saying, let your homies know, and all that good stuff, and turn on that post notification, because I'm gonna try to, like, you know what I'm saying, get some videos in, even like, I don't really do nothing much throughout the week, I'm trying to like push some more content through. So, catch you guys in the next one though.